this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I actually reached 400 subscribers and I can't remember if it was yesterday or today, but thank you to everybody who has subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I would like to do a giveaway at 500 subscribers. I haven't decided what exactly I'm going to do for the giveaway yet, if I'm going to do like a gift card, makeup, or skincare or something like that, but I would definitely like to do a giveaway. So I haven't filmed a video in over a month, well, exactly a month today. So we are going to be struggling through this together because I kind of don't even know how to do this anymore. It's been so long, gotten a little wrapped up in other things going on that I probably shouldn't have, and I was gone on vacation for a week. So we're trying to get back into things. I don't really have a lot of new stuff. I'm very much looking forward to Tuesday the 14th. If you know what I'm talking about, comment down below, because I'm not going to say it, because you should know. Anyways, today we're going to be using Urban Decay's new Aphrodisiac mini eyeshadow palette. And it's probably all dirty. It looks like I cleaned it up a little bit. So this is what it looks like. And then I also picked up the new GLAMGLOW highlighting palette. So we will be using that as well for my highlight today. Very pretty. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just continue to watch the video. Alright, so it is 9:53 at night. It is Saturday, August 11th, and I haven't filmed a video in a month. So we're going to film a bunch of videos tonight. I've got my coffee here to keep me awake, and we're going to start off by, so I've got all my face makeup on except for my highlighter, and then we still have to do eyeshadow because I want to show you some new products that I picked up. So we're going to be using the new Urban Decay Aphrodisiac, if I'm saying that right, Aphrodisiac palette. Little eyeshadow palette that came out with, super cute. Okay, so the first color that they have here is called Sheets. We're going to go in with that. And I apologize that my nails are not done because I have decided to do a 6-week fitness challenge, and I took my nails off because I'm just using like a lot of weights and stuff like that, and I didn't want to break. So for the next 4 more weeks, I've been doing it for 2 weeks now. Today was the end of the 2nd week, so I got 4 more weeks left. Anyways, I have 4 more weeks left, so hopefully I will reach my goal that I'm looking for, and then I can put nails back. Alright, next color we're going to go into is the Beyond color. We're going to put that in our crease. Next color we're going to go into is going to be Whiplash. We're going to put that in the outer corner. Trying to make this look even here. Alright, we are going to cut the crease. We're going to use my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. Sheets color. Go back over the black here. The next color I'm going to go into is going to be this Night Fever color. That's a flop, so let's use Max Fix Plus. Got my bottle here. Okay. I don't know if Urban Decay is just doing too much too fast, but you know, I had issues with the Born to Run palette. I'm having issues with this. And I was talking to my hairdresser about that Born to Run palette, and she had the same problem that I had, so it wasn't just me. Both just weren't getting a lot of color payoff that we were hoping for. I'm gonna try using my finger. That's a little better. Just always seems to work the best, but I mean, when you have these like little lines and stuff that you want to not go over, you want to keep it in your finger all the time. Next color I want to go into is going to be the glare. There. And I'm going to try to use like a small fluffy brush for this. Let's see what happens here. Let's try packing it on instead. Into it dry. Grab my finger. Go back into that Night Fever to blend in my lines here. Last color I'm going to is going to be the Attic color. That purple right there. I feel like I'm not saying that right. Let's try dry. I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit. right now. I took a little bit of that glare color and just tried to blend in those two areas with the purple and dark brown. So let's make this side a little bit more purple. Really didn't have any particular look in mind, just kind of going with it. I got a bunch of fallout under my cheek right here and a little bit right here, so I'm gonna try to clean that up. Let's do the under eyes before I forget that again. I got this brush here. I'm just gonna go into that Beyond color right there. Sorry, we're going into Whiplash now. I'm trying to put that on the powder. I'm going to grab one of my bigger brushes here. That big brush that I used in the beginning and just kind of like clean up the edges a little bit. I usually do this. I don't always show this in my videos just because it's kind of boring and sometimes I never explain what I'm doing. So I usually will just edit that out, but this is kind of what I do when I'm done. I just want to make sure that everything's like clean and blended. Alright, for our highlight today, I am using GLAMGLOW's highlighting palette that they came out with. So these are the highlights on the inside. I'm just going to swatch them real quick here. So those are these swatches. I think we're going to go with that middle one. Go into this stuff that I got from TJ Maxx, coconut water, just to start off with, because it kind of just like freshens it up too. Grab our Urban Decay because I tried to stick with a lot of Urban Decay products, so we're going to do that too. Alright, highlighter. Anti Slick. For mascara, I wanted to try out that L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise primer. So I picked up the primer and then I have my L'Oreal mascara as well. And apparently it's kind of pinky color. It does kind of look like it. Let's do the Clinique Lash Power for the lower lash. And I'm gonna grab on my Estee Lauder Blackened Black kohl, gel, eyeliner, pencil, whatever. You all know. Does that freak out when people put on eyeliner like that? I'm gonna take that highlighting palette again, grab a little bit on my finger, put it on my inner corner. Alright everybody, so this is the finished look using the new Urban Decay Aphrodisiac mini palette and using the Glam Glow highlighting palette. If you picked these up already and used them, let me know what you think. If you're going to go pick them up, let me know as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so, and thumbs up if you like this video. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos as well. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye everybody.